This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming sizes. Read the O-stroke number on your lens and pick the step-down ring that converts that thread to your filter size. Once done, clean both male and female threads with a soft brush and microfiber. Grit ruins threads. Make sure to hand start the ring. Finger tight is enough to seat it. You do this so the ring sits squarely and won't cross thread. This first step prevents damage and sets you up for a smooth install. You now thread the step-down ring onto the lens, turning slowly until it seats. Do not force or use tools. Once seated, align the filter's threads and rotate it onto the ring until snug. A fingertip's worth of torque is enough. Make sure the filter sits flat and parallel to the lens. Angled mounting causes vignetting or uneven polarization. If you're stacking multiple rings or filters, tighten sequentially and recheck alignment after each item is added. You finish by testing. Shoot at your widest focal length and aperture to check for vignetting, because step-down rings can block edges on wide-angle lenses. If you see dark corners, make sure the ring and filter are fully seated. If the problem persists, use a larger filter or a step-up ring instead. Finally, keep the ring clean and store it in a pouch. Regular inspection prevents stripped threads. If things bind, stop, back off, and clean before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.